One sunny morning, Rayhana is sitting in her favorite spot on the floor, surrounded by her toys. She picks up a book about a futuristic world with flying cars and spaceships. She points to a picture of a flying car and asks her older brothers, Ibrahim, "Why don't cars fly in real life? We already have planes, right?" Her sister Mariam looks up from her drawing and smiles. "That's a great question, Rayhana. Let's explore it together." They all go outside to do a science experiment. First, they fold a piece of paper into a simple airplane shape. Rayhana makes one wing bigger and the other smaller. Ibrahim says, "Let's see which one flies better." After watching the first one glide through the air, Rayhana's plane goes way farther. She's so happy that her plane flies. She learned that the curved top and bottom of the wings make air move faster above than below. Faster air means lower pressure. So lower pressure above, higher pressure below, you get lift. But how does that lift the plane and keep it in the air? To answer that question, they try a second experiment. This time, they fold a cross-shaped piece of paper, making sure that the arms are exactly the same length. They let it go and it falls to the ground. One arm falls down like a dropped leaf. The other arm spins around and around. They repeat this several times. Each time they make the arms a little longer, the spin gets faster and faster. Finally, the arm spins so fast, it takes off and flies away. Whew! Ibrahim explains that the spinning motion makes thrust, which pushes the plane forward. But something else is happening too. The arms of the plane are curved on the top and flat on the bottom. So as they move through the air pushes against the bottom, giving the plane even more thrust. It's like a little fan, and that's called wing, or rather air resistance. Air resistance slows the plane down. Lift, thrust, and drag. All three forces work together to make the plane fly. What about the flying car? To make a flying car, you'd have to make the body really light and the wings really big. But if you made the wings too big, then you wouldn't be able to control it. And if you made the wings smaller, then it wouldn't have enough lift to fly. And not to mention the air resistance on the wheels. You couldn't drive it on the road. Rayhana thinks for a moment. So we can't have both wheels and wings on the same car. Ibrahim says, "You could design a hover car, Rayhana. Then you wouldn't need big wings or big wheels. You could just hover over traffic." Rayhana's eyes sparkle. "I'm going to draw my eco-friendly hover car." She says, "It will be powered by the sun." And that's exactly what she does, drawing a car with huge solar panels that also double as wings. Look, Ibrahim, no gas, no fumes, just clean air. Ibrahim smiles at his little sister. He knows that her curiosity and imagination will take her far, very far. This has been Ibrahim and Rayhana's great science adventure. For more fun science adventures, subscribe for more updates.